podcast. I am Kasunama Sherba
And I am Himashras Kivere.
from grade 8, and today we will be guiding you through the thrilling and heartwarming story of Smokey the Cowhorse.
This book is written by Canadian-American author Will James, who is known for writing the Newbery Honor book titled Smokey the Cowhorse, which was published in 1926.
I was never really a fan of the Wild West, which is usually portrayed to be all about cowboys, gunshots, and dry deserts. However, this book showcases the life of a horse, a cow horse to be specific, in the very Wild West through a different light.
Smokey, who was quite a fine horse, was born during summertime, where all of the range horses were left to graze. The book goes into detail about how Smokey spent his early years as a colt grazing around in the range and spent his time being lazy and rebellious. Then, in chapter 2, it explains about how Smokey was taken in to be broken and trained into an ideal working horse.
Smokey is then domesticated and trained by Clint, a cowboy who is very kind and friendly to him. As Clint is the first human to have gained Smokey's trust as he sees the true potential in Smokey, they gradually start forming a stronger and deeper bond.
The book then proceeds to tell about how Smokey and Clint spent their time bonding together, up until an incident where Clint was spooked and fell off the horse. But Smokey calmly handled the situation and handled Clint back to the range until he was rescued.
After this incident, their bond grows stronger. However, when Smokey is kidnapped by a horse thief, Clint is shown to have feelings of desperation. When Clint hears the news, he is devastated and heartbroken as they have a very strong friendship, and he eventually has to give up on his search for Smokey.
After being captured, Smokey is mistreated by the thieves until he is made to be submissive. This sparks a hatred in Smokey that causes him to hate humans. This continues up until Smokey escapes the thieves and then goes on to be a bucking horse, where his wild man-killing attitude causes him to be nicknamed the Cougar.
After Smokey realizes the kind treatment he is receiving, he gradually calms down and begins working as a stable horse. But then again, one day, he goes on a rampage. This incident leads him to be sold to an old man who mistreats him and does not care for him much. As he grows older, he meets Clint again in a very long-awaited reunion moment. The long-awaited moment was so heartwarming. It was really such a sweet ending that they will spend the rest of their lives together happily ever after.
Of course it was. My favorite part about this book was about how the narrator was able to go into such detail about how the 4 seasons had different weathers. What do you think was the most challenging part of the story?
In my opinion, the most challenging moment for Smokey was when he was stolen and abused. It was really such a heart-wrenching moment.
Really? For me, it was when Smokey had to adapt to such harsh and contradicting environments. But in the end, I guess that's how the story is. The moral of this story is about how we should never forget who we really are, even in tough situations.
Well, that's all for this episode. We thank you for joining us as we explore the thrilling life of Smokey the Cowhorse. Thank
Thank
you.